Yeah, they're not super fast, but real friendly. I've never had one try to bite me. He's trying to make it back over there across that field. I think I'll give him a hand. You wanna walk for him, buddy? Can you walk for him? There you go. Really shy little bugs. And they will dig some holes. They're really good diggers. Let's see if he's gonna let me. Let me see that paw, buddy. Come here. Come here. I'm gonna disturb him a little bit just to see, so you can see those paws. Those are nails, and he can really dig with those. Come here. Let me just show him. But you can see these nails right here, and they wear them down. Keep them warm.